Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss SC/ST Commission. First we will discuss about the National Commission for Scheduled Caste. First question, under which act is the National Commission for Scheduled Caste constituted? Under Act Section 338. How many members are there in the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? 3 members. How many members are there on the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? 1 chairperson, 1 vice chairperson, 3 members, total 5 members are there. Who appoints the chairperson of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? President appoints. Whom does the chairperson of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste report? He report to President. What is the term of the office of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? 3 years. Who is the current chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? Kishore Makwana. Where is the office of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? Delhi. Who is the first chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? Suraj Ban. So these are the questions for Scheduled Caste. Now we will discuss about the Scheduled Tribes. Under which act the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes constituted? 338A. What is the number of the members of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe? 3 peoples. What is the total number of people in the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe? 1 chairperson, 1 vice chairperson, 3 members, total 5 peoples. Who appoints the chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe? President appoints. To whom does the chairperson of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe report? He report to the President. What is the term of office of the chairperson of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe? 3 years. Who is the current chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe? Antar Singh Arya. Where is the office of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes located? Delhi. Who is the first chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe? Kunwar Singh. These are the important questions for National Scheduled Tribes. Thank you. In next video we will discuss about the Human Rights Commission.